is to add that drag chain across the front cross member here, which is this guy. 4 more of these screws. Pull the cable a little bit, some room, put these screws in. I want to pull those, I want to run into that cable piece. I'll fold that. I'm going to here. So now it's going to pull the cable. Yeah. Again, these balls, again, the cable, I need to hold it slightly at an angle and still rotate that. Just when you come here, go and get the side of the wires. So I'll get this right now. I'm going to get the wires. I'm going to push them. One on this side. Get the wire out of the way. Put this through. Now we connect all the wires. X limit. So it's connected. X motor. So just connect it right here. The Z limit here. This is the Z motor. Connectors on this side. And that's the connector right there. That's it. The Y1 limit is at the bottom here. Y2 motor here. Connectors right here. This is for spindle. And this has spindle 1 and spindle 2. You have to put in spindle 1. And the final cable for a Y2 motor runs underneath this bracket where the cable chase guardrail, I forgot what it's called, where that is. So you can see the cable's under here, and there's 3 clips. 1 clip here, 1 clip here, and 1 clip here. And it comes around and connects to the motor right there. That's it. It's fully assembled. There's a few things that we still need to do to this before we can use it. And there's a few parts that came in the box that weren't covered in the assembly.